You know this one. This is a backhoe. And then the last one we're gonna open and play with is a cement truck. Whoa, these are so great. There's 6 toys we're gonna open and play with today. This is an excavator. Wow, it's a caterpillar excavator. You can tell by the cat logo. And it has this front bucket, and it rotates, the cab rotates, and there's tracks. Look, the tracks move around, and then the excavator can go forward and backward. Let's open it up and play with this excavator. Look at this excavator. It's so cool. I love these tracks. Some excavators have tracks and some have wheels. And this actually has a lever that operates the arm and the boom and the bucket. So then it can dig holes and move the dirt. Wow. Yep, that's the tracks moving around. Watch, I'll make it come close to you. Oh, wrong way. Whoa, look at it spin around. Okay, this is the boom. This is the arm. This is the bucket. This is the cab. That's where the operator sits and operates the bucket from. Wow, I love excavators. They're such useful pieces of machinery on the job site. They can dig deep, deep holes, like I said, and they can even flatten and pack down the ground. Yep, just like that. Whoa, all right, let's get, whoa, look at the lights right here. Do you see the lights? That was the horn. Do you hear that?
Are we ready to go?
Yep, that's the horn. All right, let's watch it drive. Whee! Watch, it'll back up now. Get ready. Whee! Now it's ready to dig. Wow, I love excavators. They're such good machines and they get so much done. Ooh, these are hydraulics right there. Yep. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna make this little guy drive away. This machine is a cement truck. Cement goes in this, the big bowl, and then it pours out right here out of the spigot. And then the cement lays flat on the ground, or you can even lay cement vertically, and then it hardens, and then you can build so much stuff with the cement truck. And it turns so then the cement doesn't dry inside there. Let's open up the cement truck and play with it. Wow, this is a cement truck. Yep, that's right. Look, it turns, so then, like I said, the cement doesn't dry inside there because it has to be nice and wet. So then it comes out right here and goes on the ground, and then it dries, and then it gets really, really hard. Whoa, and look, I'll push this front arrow, and it probably drives forward. Whee! All on its own. Now let's see if it backs up. Back it up. Beep, beep. Whoa. Whoa. You need a cement truck to transport the cement from one part of the job site to the other. They mix up the cement and put it in here. And then when this turns, it comes out right in there. Yep, it comes out right there and then falls on the ground. I like the cement truck because it's really bright and yellow. In cement trucks, you can't build something without a cement truck because, well, you can if you use wood buildings and stuff. But even so, the foundation is probably cement. Whee! Did you hear that horn?
Move it up!
That's funny. All right, whoa. Yep, and you can tell right here, that little logo says cat, because it's a Caterpillar cement truck. Whoa. There's even music coming out of this cement truck. Must be coming out of the windows, because the music's inside here, where the driver is. This is where the driver sits. That's the driver door, and that is the passenger door. Oh, and this has 4 wheels and tires. All right, that's enough for the cement truck. Look at this job site machine. It's a Caterpillar job site machine, and it's called a bulldozer. You can tell it's a bulldozer because it has this front plow on the front. Yeah, because then it pushes the dirt and rocks, and it doesn't slip because it has these tracks right here. Yup, and then look at this. That's a scraper. Has the little fork on it. So then you can drag it and create lines. Yeah, let's open it up and play with this bulldozer. Okay, here's the bulldozer. Yeah, look at this little lever. It operates the front plow. And the front plow plows anything over in its way. That's why they call it a bulldozer, because it bulldozes anything in its way. And here's the little fork that drags and creates line, and then you can lay pipe down there. Yeah, whoa, bulldozer's front plow can also go side to side, and it can tilt up and down. Wow, bulldozers are really strong. And since they run on tracks, they never slip. Tracks are so sticky, and you can't move it around because they're on tracks, not wheels. Get your hard hat. I like that music. Oh, that's the bulldozer horn.
Ready for work?
Ready for work. All right, here comes the bulldozer. Oh, let's back him up. Whoa, this bulldozer was sure fun to play with because it just plowed over those eggs, and like I said, anything in its way, the bulldozer pushes through it. Watch. Bye-bye. You know this machine. This machine is the backhoe. You know it's a backhoe because it has the stabilizer legs on the back. It has the back bucket, which that's why they call it a backhoe, because this bucket hoes the ground. And then there's the tractor, and then the wheels and tires, and the front bucket. Yep. It can take a bunch of dirt and rocks in the front bucket from the dirt and the rocks that the back bucket digged up. Let's open up this backhoe and play with it. All right, look at this backhoe. Let's learn and look at all the parts of this backhoe. Okay, the first parts we're gonna take a look at is this back bucket. This is why they call it a backhoe, because it's on the back and it hoes the ground. So it can dig really deep holes and it can actually push away dirt. And these are the stabilizer legs. They go down before you dig with a backhoe, because then from there, then you won't tip over and fall. Not with these down you won't, but if they were up, you would tip and fall over side to side while it digs. But if these are down, then it won't tip over side to side. Yeah, look, so they go beep, beep, boop, 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 boop. And then it digs with this back bucket. Some back buckets are small and some back buckets are large. Okay, now let's take a look at the front bucket. Yep, it can pick up dirt and rocks and gravel and put it inside there. And then, see, watch, see? Let's put an egg right there. And then it lifts it up and dumps it out. Whoa. This is the front bucket. You can tell it's the front bucket because the tractor, this thing, is pointing this way. When you drive, it drives that way. Whoa, this is a really quick piece of machinery. Normally, pieces of machinery that have wheels and tires, right there, they can drive really fast on the road. Let's see it back up.
Back it up!
Forward. Wow. Let's do the front bucket again. Yep. That's if it's dumping something out. And that's ready to scoop up. And it scoops it up. Whoa. Yeah. And this is sometimes enclosed because if it gets really cold, you want windows there. So then you can stay really warm during winter time. But when it's summertime, operators of the backhoe just stay inside there with no windows, or they have air conditioning. Whoa. All right, let's listen to the horn. Let's build something. That's what it said. Let's listen to the horn again. What a cool horn. Kind of sounds like a semi-truck's horn. Beep, beep. All right, and then dig, 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 and it stretches really far out there. Look at that. And then the front bucket can go really high in the air. This is it all stretched out, you know? Look at that. The back bucket's stretched out and the front bucket is stretched out. Let's watch it drive when it's all stretched out. This is gonna be fun. Whee! And here it goes to back up. Okay, I think we played with this backhoe toy for long enough. Yep, front bucket, back bucket, stabilizer legs, wheel, tire, the cab, and then, oh, I forgot to tell you, this is where the engine is, right in there. The motor to create power, so then the backhoe can drive around and build some buildings. All right, backhoe, let's see you later. Look at this toy. This toy is a wheel loader. Has wheels and it has this front bucket, which is why they call it a loader, because you can put stuff in here and then move it from one place to the other. This is really powerful. It can lift really heavy stuff. And this toy also comes with 2 workers and one of these cones and the warning sign. Let's open up this wheel loader and play with it. This wheel loader box set comes with not only this wheel loader, but it also comes with this gentleman right here wearing the blue shirt. Look at him. Huh, and he's wearing a hard hat. What a great worker. And then this man, he's wearing a red vest and he has a hard hat on. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good. You wanna get to work? Yeah, I wanna get to work. Yeah, woohoo! And it also comes with a cone, kind of like a safety barrel. Yep. And then this safety sign, which you can see has someone digging. So it's warning people about the diggers, which are these guys. Where's their shovels? It must be in the shed. Well, anywho, now let's take a look at the wheel loader. This is the wheel loader. It has 4 giant tires. Yep. It doesn't get stuck very often at all. And all of them are big tires. Sometimes the front tires are smaller than the back. But on this wheel loader, they're the same size. And then here's the lever for the bucket. Yep, this front bucket, you can put stuff in it and then it drives around with the stuff, and then if you want, you can dump it out. You can push stuff over. Yep. And this wheel loader even drives. Watch this. I wonder if it has a horn on it. Yep, did you hear that?
Let's build something.
Let's build something. There's the horn. Oh, here's 2 lights. Watch this.
Ready for work.
Can you see them?
Let's build something.
Yep, right there. The wheel loader is a really important machine on the job site because it can move quick and get so much stuff done. Oh, and here's a little ladder for the worker to go up. And then he sits in here. Yep, see? That's where the worker sits. Hey, I'm ready to work. I wonder if 2 people can fit inside. Two people are inside there. Hey, can you see us? Only one person's supposed to be in there, so we'll take him out. All right. Wheel loaders are so big and they get so much work done because they're such really good, hard-working pieces of machinery on the job site. I love the job site construction vehicle of a wheel loader. All right, bye-bye. Look at this toy. You know what kind of toy this is. It's a dump truck. You put stuff in the back and then you dump it out. And this box also includes 2 construction workers, a cone, a safety barrel, and a safety sign that shows people that they're digging. Well, let's open up this toy and play with this dump truck. Whoa! This box set not only comes with this dump truck that you put stuff in the back and then it dumps out, but it also comes with this gentleman, construction worker, that has a hard hat on and he has a blue shirt under his vest. And then also this gentleman right here, he has a red vest and a black shirt. And you can't forget about his hard hat right there. Yep. And then it has this safety barrel, this cone, and this safety sign that shows a person digging with a shovel. That's cool. Let's put this stuff to the side. Well, actually, let's use one of these workers to drive the dump truck. Hey, are you operating the dump truck? Yup, I'm the dump truck operator. Okay, get to work then. Okay, here I go. See you later. Whee! All right, here we go. These buttons right here operate the dump truck. Okay, let's put something in the back. Yep, okay. Let's put this cone back there. And then let's also put the sign back here. Okay, partner, dump it out. Here we go. Here comes the dump truck, dumping it out. That's fun. Okay, let's dump it out again. I'm a dump truck. Here we go. Get ready. This dump truck is so cool. You can put so much stuff in the back here, which is called the bed of the dump truck. And then when the dump truck dumps it, it all comes out. So in other words, you can put stuff in the back of it at one place, and then drive somewhere else, super far away, and then dump it out. That's so cool. Well, thanks for looking at this dump truck with me and playing with it. All right, the dump truck's off to go to the job site. If you liked this construction toy, be sure to click that big red button that says subscribe so you can see all of our construction toy videos.